I have my language, I have my music. I'm rich with a lot of melody, pattern, songs that I created. So when it comes to play music, for me it's most of the time it's like quite meditative.
When I was probably about 4 or 5 years old, I started playing tabla. Started playing drums actually, and then quickly started playing tabla. For me, the most powerful use of making music is that it's medicine.
While we are awake in an intention to create, then we have a space. And this space is part of the music as breath is part of life.
Something that I had created got them through a certain time in their life. That's when it's most profound. And I've always wanted to make music that lasts.